In today's video, I am unboxing a iFixit Morray. I got this as an impulse purchase at Best Buy. The box is actually really nice. I didn't expect it to be like this. It's a box for a screwdriver. What am I supposed to say? Anyways, it opens at the bottom. It's exactly as large as it shows on the box, and like shown on the box. It does have some... I'm going to ignore the do not eat. I'm saving this for later. It has an edible packet. Ignore the do not eat. But as you see, it looks exactly like it does on the box. So if you're in a retail store, don't open it. It's a screwdriver. It is their newer plastic screwdriver with a built-in SIM tool. You can still get the milled aluminum screwdrivers. They are sold separately via iFixit's website now. It has all of the bits stated on the back. There are too many for me to list right now. That is about all I can do in terms of an unboxing for this. I really don't know what else to do. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.